Welcome to Cedarcroft. Today we are going to be making egg bites. My name is Barbara and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. And I'm so glad that you're here to make egg bites with me. Now, egg bites, super easy, super quick. You may already be making them, I don't know. I'm just gonna bring you along as I make some for my family. This may be a slightly different version than what you make. And if so, maybe it'll give you some ideas for how to, change it up. I'm gonna bring you closer so that you can see. Okay, so this is the easiest breakfast that I can make for my family, and I really enjoy making these. I have a 24 muffin cup pan, and so I am going to make 24 of these. This recipe is easily cut in half. You can add whatever it is that you want to this recipe to make it yours. For 24, I start out with 18 eggs. The 18 eggs, I'm going to just put a nice pinch of salt in there and a little bit of pepper and about 1 cup of whole milk, or half and half, and this happens to be half and half. Okay, and then I'm going to mix this up. To assemble the egg bites, what I do is I take some hash browns, and these are frozen hash browns. And I just put a small handful in the bottom of each one, not a lot. Okay, the next thing after the potatoes, I will take a little bit of red bell pepper, not a lot. And I probably cut too much, but that's okay. I'd rather have too much than not enough. This is not only going to give it a good flavor, but it's going to be really pretty in our egg bites. At this point, you could add anything that you want. You could add onions, mushrooms, green bell peppers. If you like it spicy, you could add some jalapeno. And so I cut up a half of a bell pepper, and that's how much I used. So it took a half a bell pepper to fill these egg bites, and they look really pretty, don't they? The next step is to just simply pour the egg and milk mixture into the cups. I have my oven set at 350, and we're gonna put them in and bake them. We're ready for the oven. Our beautiful egg bites are out of the oven. And as you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see, but they are puffy and they look so delicious. I baked them at 350 for 30 minutes, and that was perfect. And I'm going to put them on a cooling rack to cool. I hope that you give it a try. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever made egg bites before. And if you have, let me know what you put in your egg bites. I'm real curious. I'm always open to ideas, and I can't wait to see what you say about these egg bites. So, as always, thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on this adventure as I go back to Cedarcroft.